What's up guys, it's Hatim here, back with another video. We might be doing some interesting things today, so thought I'll do some filming. So we're gonna meet up with some guys later, and I'll update you guys when we're there. For now I'm just gonna go get some gas, meet one of my friends, and then I'll make my way to the other guys. So the weather's been pretty interesting. It was raining a bit yesterday, and now it's pretty clear out, but we don't know what's gonna happen later, but we're gonna find out. Anyways, I'll pick you guys up later. Alright guys, just getting some gas. Good old Mumtaz. Bahrain life guys. Also luckily today there's not much, so we're just getting some gas today, because this thing loves to drink. What's wrong with you, man?
Hours later.
Hey, look who's here. Another one. Hey, what's up, man? You guys cleaned your cars or what?
No man, I just washed it yesterday, but then it rained.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What's up, guy? Full Arab timing you are still, huh?
Arab timing always.
Let's go?
Yalla.
Let's go. Hey, nice height, huh? Let's move, boys.
Meanwhile,
Some shenanigans is happening, guys. Send it, bro, send it. Shout out to this guy for manning the camera. Hit him up, guys. Pro camera work. Hit him up.
I'm a nothing.
Man, you're everything for me, bro. What was that? You finna send it, bro?
The camera's
What's
dusty.
it doing? It's okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's so close to my face. Hello. Okay. I thought it's a Toyota, man. I saw it on the screen, now I know it's a Subaru. Okay. Traction off. Lights on.
Later.
He says it's slow.
Do we have Top Gear Arabia?
I have 1 meter, Arabia.
So welcome to the car.
This is very tasteful.
A very tasteful spec.
Much later.
Thank you. Anyways, guys, I didn't make an outro, so I just picked up some tea. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, keep it sideways, guys.